Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, August 29th, 2023, and we have a storm coming to Florida. Hurricane Idalia is set to hit northern Florida up around the Bend area. I live over here in Orlando, so we will probably only see some wind and some rain. I think we're going to take a cruise right on down the street to Universal and see how things are down there. Join us. All right, here we are at Universal. We're going to go up and go through security. You know, I remember when I was a little kid, we used to go to an amusement park in Salem, New Hampshire called Canterbury Lake Park. It's still around. It's real cool. And I remember when we used to drive there, we used to drive down the road and thinking as a little kid, wow, it would be so cool if I lived in one of these houses down the street, you know, from Canterbury Lake Park. It was just like a childhood dream. And now here I am, almost 60 years old, later in life, and I live down the street from Universal Studios. It's weird. Let's go in. Coming in a different way today. And right now there's nobody coming through. Look at this. So it's 3 o'clock, it's 95 degrees, we've got 4 hours, the park's closed, both of them closed, all three of them actually closed at 7 o'clock today. I just want to come in and see what it's going to be like. With most schools have started, there's still some across the country that'll start right after Labor Day, but I know New Hampshire started, well, some of it started today, so let's see what the crowd levels are like. I think we're going to start over at Islands of Adventure, and look at City Walk right now on a Tuesday afternoon on the 29th. It's nice and mellow. I've never seen it like this. I'm sure that's going to change this weekend being Labor Day, but it's kind of nice, really nice. So let's start off at Islands of Adventure. I heard that the rock climbing wall has been dismantled. That was something Riley did when she was up here, something she really wanted to do. Thankfully we did it, because that might be no more. We'll check that out while we're in there. No lines, no waiting. Look at this. All right, this is what it's like upon entering. Nice and mellow. Look at this. Low crowds. And it smells nice of popcorn right now. It smells real good. All right, let's go in. The wait times are really down. Hagridge is an hour, Velocicoaster's 25 minutes, The Simpsons 15 minutes, The Hulk 15 minutes, Ride Rocket 5 minutes. It's really cool. Let's go check things out. This is what it looks like going through Zeus Landing right now. It's nice and mellow. All like 5-minute wait times, maybe a 10 here and there, but everything here is mellow. So mellow out here, I can stop and get shots, you know, people walking by. Same thing over here at the Lost Continent. It's nice and mellow. I don't know if it's because the week that it is, or because of the impending storm. Yeah, it's nice and mellow. It's hopping over here in Jurassic World, that's for sure. There's a lot of people in here. This is it. This is where the rock climbing wall was gone. Riley, glad you got to get on it while it was still here. It's really nice out here today. It really is. It's too bad the park closes at 7. I'd like it to be open. I'd stay till 9. Hit some rides, have a drink or two. I know I'm alone, but it's just that kind of a nice night. The sun's not beating down. It's nice. Tomorrow's going to be really rainy and possibly the day after as well. With a lot of wind. I figured I'd get out today and just get out while I still can. Let's head into Marvel. Nice and kind of mellow over here at Islands of Adventure. Let's take a stroll on over to Universal and see what it looks like over there. Plus we can check out some of the HHN props that are up. That's just happening in a couple of days. Now we'll head out to Universal and see what it's like over there and take a walk around the park, see what the crowd levels are like. So it's actually a great day to be here. I just want to get in and out before. I don't want to get caught in any kind of storm. I'll tell you, the storms down here are no joke. Not that storms anywhere are any joke, but down here, I was out running the other day, and I always look at the weather before I go out and run, and everything looked good. And halfway through, I felt a couple of trickles of water, and then I heard thunder. I started to panic. It's like I said, down here, it's scary. Thunderstorms are scary. Never mind hurricanes or tropical storms. So let's get in, check it out, head back before we get caught in any kind of storm. I'm not even paying attention to where I'm walking. So yes, I'm taking us the long way there. Oh, just in case anybody's interested, the U.S. Open in tennis is going on right now. Last night was the first night. I watched Coco Gauff's match, which was amazing. She played against Laura Siegemund, I believe her name was, from Germany. What a match. And I didn't get to see it, but Caroline Wozniacki's back, and she won her match last night. So, tonight, we'll see. I know Venus Williams is tonight, so we'll watch some of that when we get home. Oh, look. Again, no lines, no waiting. How awesome. Here we go, just a couple nights away. Some lady from, well, I can assume she's from the UK from her accent, offered to give me her some of her fast passes. She had some tickets, some paper fast passes or express passes. I thought that was really cool. I have my own, but that was cool. Sky's starting to look blah. Let's hang out for another hour at the most and get out before. Let's get out before. Well, let's get out while the going's good.
So many women, I don't know which way to.
All right, guys, everybody, one last time, put your hands up.
Flip, flop, and fly. I don't care if I die. Flip, flop, and fly. I don't care if I die. Don't ever leave me, don't ever say goodbye. All right. The Bobby Fly here. Downtown Bluesman.
Thank you.
Does anybody remember this movie? God, I used to love this movie. Goodbye, Blues Brothers. More props for HHN. Volkswagens. I've never done this before. And when we get a Ford. Another menu. It's coming. How bad it'll be over here. Well, it looks like the Men in Black sign is down for refurbishment. I definitely want to come back next week, either on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday after Labor Day. I think when I come here next week, I'm going to stop and get a Duff beer. I've yet to get one. And here we have Jebediah swimming pool. I'll remember that. Someone will definitely be out. Still nice and mellow. Park's still open for another 2 hours. Mel's is down, the cars are gone. I don't know when that will be back up. I still have to do the horror makeup show. I have not done any of the shows here. I think we've seen enough. Let's head out. Still hardly anyone coming in and not many people leaving. I've never seen it like this. This is really nice. Do it again next week. I don't know if it's because of the weather. We'll see what it's like next week. I'm looking forward to coming down here and seeing how quick to get on rides with or without the express pass. Look at that sky. That's going to do it at Universal. I mean, this is great. Low wait times, low crowds. I don't know if it's because of the storm coming or because school's back in session. We won't know. I'll come back next week when most schools are back in session completely. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And remember, Make every day an adventure.